Back then in Jamaica, life was pure vibes. Kids used to play marble wars, dandy shandy, or cricket in the streets with nothing but a juice box carton and a stick. If the ball rolled too far, everybody run behind it like it was the World Cup. Evening time, the whole lane knew it was time to go inside when the streetlights came on, and neighbors could scold you like their own child. Even simple things like knocking on a friend's gate and shouting, "Come outside," was normal. Now, everybody locked up in their room, glued to a screen. Kids don't even know the fun of chasing a tire down the road or making a kite out of scandal bag and bamboo. Instead, they're on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram all day. Even family time changed. Back then, Sunday dinner was laughter, noise, and stories at the table. Now, everybody eating with one hand and holding their phone with the other. Yes, technology makes things easier. We can talk to anyone worldwide in seconds. But sometimes you can't help but miss the days when happiness came from real connection, not Wi-Fi. Back then felt harder, but somehow sweeter.